So on this lesson we are going to learn how we can insert videos in our slide. So over here on this slide, let's try to place a video. So let's go to insert, and on insert you can see that we have this media section. On this media section, if we click on this video, and we can select from this device, let's go to download, and over here we have the video, and you can see that we have able to bring our video from here. So as you can see, this is the video that we have right now on our slide. So when you click on this section, you will find a new ribbon video format. Over here you can adjust its color, adjust the brightness. Also you can give a video style over here, and you can select any type of video style you have to give. Also you can create shape. For example, let's create a video shape. For example, let's create circle. All right, now you can see that this is our video shape. You can select any shape you want, and you can place or select your video shape. So right now let's create a rectangle. Then you can select a border color. Also you can use video effect, and then you have the option to play the video, right? And also you have this playback option. On this playback option you can create a loop. So loop until it stop, rewind after playing. And also you can do, if you click on this slide, it will start playing, or automatically it will start playing. Let's select it, play full screen, and you can also select the volume. For example, if we just click on slide, this is our slide. Over here you can see when I click on it, it will start playing, right? But what I want to do is I want to click over here and it will start playing. So right now if I select presentation, and you can see our video have been started playing on the slide, and if I go to the next slide, it will automatically go. So this is how you can insert a video. Also if you go to insert, and if you want to select the audio, you can very easily select audio and it will placed over here as well. Also you can do screen recording. So in PowerPoint, if you start selecting the screen recording, you have to select this, and then you can start your recording, and it will automatically record your presentation. For example, this is my PowerPoint, and over here I want to present it through this screen recording option. After that, let's go back, and we have to stop the recording. And right now if we stop the recording, it will automatically save in a new slide. And now you can see this is our recording that we have created, and it have been saved on our presentation. Very easily we can do this as well. So let's go to insert, and let's insert a new slide. Let's select this blank slide, and then on insert you can see that we have this shape option. Also we have icon. You can place any type of icons. For example, let's select this icon, and we can use different type of icon in our slide. Also we can use 3D model. So right now I don't have any 3D model. Let's go and find it from the web. For example, let's select this winter jacket, or let's select this human, let's insert it, and it is inserting the 3D model to our presentation. So over here, this is our 3D model who is reading. On top, you can see that we have this 3D model option reset. We can change its position from top, from back, we have from side, from downwards. You can select different type of position or views from this 3D model. And this is how you can use 3D model to your design, right? So I hope you have understood how you can insert all of this 3D model, video, audio and screen recording to your PowerPoint presentation.